Hello everyone, this is Imran here. Welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to talk about how you can install WordPress to Hostinger, and the second part is how you can install WordPress on Hostinger subdomain. So it's a very easy process. So first of all, we all need to know that we need a Hostinger account. So I hope you all have that. So I'm just going to show you how you can do that, how you can access that, how you are going to install WordPress to Hostinger and subdomains, all those things. So let's get started without wasting any more of our time. So first thing first, we need to log into our Hostinger account, right? So once you do that, you will end up over here, and here you are going. So let's just suppose you are very new to this Hostinger. So first of all, the very first step you need to do is to claim your free domain. So here you can see the second option is free domain, claim it. Once you do that, you will do the second step, which is going to be like premium shared hosting. You can just set it up. It's very normal information, and we have our video accordingly, so you just go ahead and check that out in our channel. And first two things you need to do that if you are a beginner and claim your free domain. Then after that, premium shared hosting, you just need to set it up and go in and fill out the information, and after that you will end up like go back to this page, and after that just scroll down and you will see your hosting over here. You will see your hosting. Obviously you claim that the domain, and you set your hosting. After that you will see your hosting over here. Once you do that all that stuff, click on your hosting, and it will take you right over here where you can see your WordPress. The first thing you can see your WordPress, your order and your accounts, your emails, your domains, your website and files, and advanced and other options. So what thing you are going to do? So mostly people usually click on the first tab, which is called WordPress, because we are going to install WordPress to hosting, right? But this is wrong. You need to go right down below where you can see the website tab and click on auto installer. Once you click on that, you will end up over here. And what are you going to do? So obviously you can see here WordPress, WooCommerce with WordPress, and Jumia, and there will be more. So but we are going to talk about WordPress, right? So if you want to go, you can just go either with any options over here, WordPress or WooCommerce plus WordPress. uh WooCommerce WordPress is for e-commerce, right? So if you want to go ahead and click on that, it's gonna be a same process. So you are going to install that, right? So we are going with this normal one, like select this one, and it will take you right over these options. So these options are very important. So first of all, you need to choose your this HTTP, and after that enter your details, WordPress, and overwrite existing files. After that, edit your administration name and enter your administration password, whatever your WordPress is, WordPress administrator name and password. Enter that over here. Your administrator email would be over here. Your website title would be over here, and what version you are using of WordPress. So you can just change that over here, and mostly people use latest version. Maybe I just use the latest version. So after that, language, English, database, what database you are going to use, you just click on that and create password for your database, and simple is that, just click on install. So this is very easy, right? Here till now you can see you are installing WordPress to Hostinger. Obviously you are adding your WordPress, right? You are adding your WordPress administration name and password and all those things. After installing this, you can see on the left side you will have your panels like dashboard, WordPress, order, account, emails, domains, your website, files, database, and advanced. All those things which we have seen before. So right now we are at website because we choose that, and those options have become our panels, and we are in auto installer, right? We just added that. After that, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on dashboard. because obviously we added our website, our WordPress website, and right now we need to go at our dashboard of WordPress. Just say that, right? Click on dashboard, or you can just click on WordPress, but just click on dashboard and you will end up over here. You can see dashboard, and click on dashboard, you will go end up on WordPress dashboard. So it's very easy process. You have installed your WordPress to Hostinger, and right now after that we are going to add subdomain. So how you can just add subdomain? So once you do that, obviously this is the picture of, like, if you click on dashboard and edit website, it will take you to the WordPress website and you can just edit, start editing, right? After that we are going to add a subdomain, right? So this is where, if you go back to your dashboard, and you will find this domain, and the first option is subdomains. So how you can add subdomains, right? Click on this, it will take you right over here, and after that just enter your detail, like what would be your subdomain, and subdomain and your website would be over here. Your directory, what would be your directory, and click on create. Simple. Once you do that, you will end up over here, and you can see this is where you are going to add all those things again. How? So once you install, like, you can just install that test and subdomain, you go to your website in auto installer, then again add all those details which you have already done for your WordPress website. So right now we are going to do same for the subdomain of website. So you can see, enter all the same details and just click on install. Simple as that. After that you will see that you will have your two websites over here, which is this one, and after that your subdomain over this here. So all those two things will end up over here, and you can just edit them easily. So this is how you are going to add and install WordPress to Hostinger and also subdomain. Subdomain is very easy. Hostinger, like WordPress to Hostinger, is kind of tricky, but not that tricky. You just need to add things, add information to Hostinger, and every single thing would be very easy. So I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. If you have any queries or if you don't understand anything, I would prefer you to watch this video again, and you will end up learning a lot of things which you have might missed. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.